My dear students, let me discuss a super simple shortcut for this type of problems, which are regarding concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Object is placed at 15 centimeters, whereas he has given us the radius of curvature. He has given us the radius of curvature. And what is going to be the radius of curvature? The radius of curvature is 40 centimeters. If the radius of curvature is 40 centimeters, then focal length is going to be half of the radius of curvature, that is 20 centimeters. And now, object is placed at 15 centimeters first, and then it is placed at 25 centimeters. Okay? So, if object is placed at 15 centimeters, you may get the image somewhere here. And if an object is placed at 25 centimeters, you may get image somewhere here. Okay. So let us see what is going to happen. You have to find out the distances between the two images. You will find out the distance between the two images according to this problem. Yeah. So let us see what is going to happen. So for this, I'll tell you a simple concept. You all know 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is a mirror formula. I know concave mirror means this is minus and this is also minus. That means 1 by v is equal to 1 by u minus 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to f into u by f minus u. That means v is going to become fu by f minus u. You can use this shortcut formula. You can use this shortcut formula to find out the solution. Okay. Now let us see what is going to happen. First of all, he has given u1 as 15 centimeters. Substitute in this formula, that is v is equal to fu by f minus u. This is u1, so fu1 by f minus u1. F is 20 into 15 by 20 minus 15, that is 5. Okay. So we'll be getting answer as 60 centimeters. This is called as object distance v1. Second object distance you have to find out v2. And how much it is going to be? fu2 by f minus u2. Okay. So if you substitute here, you will be getting how much? 20 into 25 by 20 minus 25. Okay. So this is 20 into 25 divided by minus 5. So we're getting how much? Minus 100 centimeters. You have to subtract these two. V1 minus V2. How much it is going to be? It is 60 minus of minus 100. It will be getting as 160 as an answer. 160 centimeters is going to be your answer. That's it. So what is the shortcut formula? Shortcut formula is this one. Fu by f minus u. If you remember, in two stages you will get the answers. You just subtract them. Final answer is going to be 160 centimeters. Hope you have enjoyed this shortcut formula. Thank you very much. My dear students, this is a NEET previous year question asked in 2020. What is the detailed explanation about this problem here? So there is a concave mirror whose principle of focus and center of curvature here. It is said that an object is placed at a distance of 1.5 f. That means this is f. This is a focal length and this is going to be 1.5 f. Object distance is 1.5 f. And is asking us to find out what is the image distance. If this is an object placed between principle of focus and center of curvature, image is beyond C. If object is between F and C, image is beyond C. That means it is greater than object distance. How are you going to find out an image distance with a simple shortcut formula? Let us first create what is a shortcut formula here. So that is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. This is called as a mirror formula. Now, as focal length is going to be left side, it is considered to be negative here. Object distance is left side, it is also considered to be negative. Whatever you are going to find out, that is image distance, you should not consider any sign conventions, because answer will tell you the sign convention. Answer will tell you the sign convention. Only at f you have to take sign convention. You have to take sign conventions at u, that is object distance, but image distance you did not take any sign convention, because answer will tell you that it is at left side. Sign convention is given by the answer. Now let us see. So here 1 by minus f, here you need not, so this is minus sign you have to consider because left side. So now 1 by v is equal to, this comes to left side, becomes positive 1 by f. So 1 by v is equal to LCM uf, which is nothing but f minus u. Therefore image distance can be taken as fu by f minus u. This is going to be our shortcut formula. Whenever you want to find out the problems of this type, you can just remember this formula. Need not write all the process and sign conventions. You can just write fu by f minus u. You'll be getting the answer directly in a super simple way. So what is f? F is f. What is u? U is 1.5f. Divided by f minus u. F minus u. U is 1.5f. So this is 1.5 f square divided by minus 0.5, because f minus 1.5 is going to be 0.5. That's it. So here, are we getting now? See, this is 1 times, it is going to be 3 times. Here already one f is there, f square gets cancelled. So therefore, v is going to be how much? This minus comes to left side, upwards. That is, your answer is minus 3f is going to be your correct answer. Hope you have enjoyed this problem. Thank you very much. My dear students, this is a rotation of a mirror. What happens in the rotation of a mirror concept? Let us see. This is a mirror. It has been rotated to an angle theta. If it is rotated to an angle theta, how much angle the reflected ray is rotated? That means when the mirror is in this horizontal direction, then this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is normal. But when the mirror has been tilted through an angle theta, then instead of this light ray coming outside, you will get this light ray, and normal is not n now. The normal has been changed to n dash. When the mirror is tilted, normal also gets tilted through an angle theta here. And he is asking us to find out what is R Q R naught. He is asking us to find out this angle. So how are you going to find out this angle R Q R dash? Very simple. What you have to do here is, you have to find out, for example, you have to find out this R Q R dash. Then you have to take P Q R dash, this P Q R dash, and subtract. In this P Q R dash, you have to subtract P Q R, this angle P Q R. Then what happens? Let us see here. So angle P Q R dash is nothing but from here to here. If this is angle of incidence, this is angle of incidence and this is angle of reflection, both are going to be same. This is I means this is also I, when this is called as PQR. Incident ray is I and reflected ray is I. But when the angle is tilted by the mirror to an angle theta, then normal gets shifted. Then now the new incident ray will become I plus theta here. From here to here I plus theta, from here to here I plus theta. So I plus theta is going to be how much? I plus theta and I plus theta, because he has asked us to find out PQR dash. So PQR dash is nothing but I plus theta and I plus theta, which is nothing but 2I plus 2 theta. And you have to subtract PQR. This is I plus I, which is nothing but minus 2I. So 2I gets cancelled. What is left? 2 theta is left. That means this angle is taken as, this unknown angle is taken as 2 theta. Okay. Based on this concept, there is a previous year question. Let us see here. So this is a question here. When an angle of the mirror is rotated to an angle theta, then the light ray which is coming and falling on the mirror, it gets reflected through an angle 2 theta. 2 theta. Then he is asking us to find out what is this angle theta given by. So let us take this diagram as a sector. Let us imagine to be a small part of a circle sector. Then in this is 2 theta is written like this, and this is x and y. And you know, according to mensuration and geometry, arc of a sector is nothing but radius into angle. What is the arc here? Arc is nothing but y. And what is radius? Which is nothing but x. And what is an angle here? Which is nothing but 2 theta here. Okay. So this implies that theta can be taken as y by 2x. Y by 2x. Your option is going to be D. Hope you have enjoyed. My dear students, this is a previous year question asked in NEET 2018. Okay, there is a simple shortcut to solve this problem, which is very amazing here. Let us see what is the shortcut here. First of all, try to understand here. This is a concave mirror, and the object is placed at a distance of 40 centimeters from the pole of a mirror. This is going to be the pole of a mirror, and here focal length of a mirror is going to be just 15 centimeters. Now, if this is an object distance which is taken as u1, which is 40 centimeters here, 40 centimeters, and slowly it is saying the problem that object has been shifted toward the mirror, then what happens to the image? You should know that when an object is shifted towards the mirror, image is moving away from the mirror. That means it should be away from the mirror. That we know already. But what is the value? That we have to find out. For that, there is a simple concept which we have to remember here. Let us see what is that concept here. You all know there is a mirror formula 1 by V plus 1 by U. For a concave mirror, focal length is left side. You know, for a concave mirror, focal length is left side. That's why it is taken as negative. And object is also placed left side. That's why it is also taken as negative. So let us see what is going to happen. Now we can write this as minus f 1 by v. This is also taken as minus. U is minus. F is minus. Focal, image distance which you are going to find out, you should not take sign conventions, because for image distance you should not take any sign convention, because answer is going to tell you the sign convention. You need not take from your side. Answer will tell you what is the sign convention. Let us see what is going to happen now. From this it is understood that 1 by v is equal to, you take to this left side 1 by u minus 1 by f or 1 by u. This is fu and this is f minus u. So therefore v is nothing but fu by f minus u. This is a shortcut formula to find out the image distance. Now let us solve the problem. So this shortcut formula we can use to solve this problem in a super simple way. What is that? Let us see here. Now by using this shortcut here, we can write now f u1 by f minus u1. That is, previously it was at 40 centimeters. Now it will be moved. Now it will be moved little bit aside, which is now it is taken as u2 is equal to 20 centimeters. Because when you shift it towards 20, the remaining part is going to be 20 centimeters. So previously, when the object distance is taken as 40 centimeters, you substitute in this formula getting how much? F u1 by f minus u1. If you substitute, that is focal length is 15 and object distance is 40. Now when it has been shifted, new object distance is going to be 20. So this formula fu by f minus u, you have to apply 2 times. First when the object is at 40 centimeters, next when the object has been shifted to 20 centimeters, then this is going to the formula. So now you'll be getting 50 into 40 by 50 minus 40 is going to be minus 24 centimeters. Now in the second, when it has been shifted, you'll be getting 50 into 20 by 15 minus 20, which is going to be minus 60 centimeters. Now you have to find out the difference. Minus 60 minus of minus 24 gives you the net displacement, that is delta V, how much the image has been shifted. It is going to be minus 60 minus of minus, that is 24. Okay, so 24 is going how much? Minus 36 centimeters. Minus indicates that it has been shifted away from the mirror. Okay, it is being shifted away from the mirror. Your option is B option. Hope you have enjoyed this problem. Thank you very much. My dear students, let me make you understand the previous year problem which was asked in NEET year, that is 2016. This is a conceptual question, and I'll tell you a simple logic to understand this conceptual question. What is the logic behind this? He's asking us to find out the magnifications and compare with the concave lenses, concave mirror or concave convex mirrors. So magnifications and mirrors you have to compare here. A simple and smart logic which you have to understand here is, you have to remember just one thing, that magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object. And there is one simple logic that this is taken as the origin. What is this? This is considered to be the origin of a mirror according to sign conventions. So whatever is coming upwards, it is positive, and what is going to be inwards, that means inverted, that is going to be negative. That's it. So this is positive, inverted is negative. A simple logic is enough to understand almost all the problems of this type. So what is going to happen here? Here, in this case, this is a virtual image. Whenever an image is formed behind the mirror, it is going to be definitely virtual image. It cannot be caught on the screen. So what happens here now? As you know that this is a formula, magnification is equal to height of the image by height of the object. Here, in the case of a virtual image, whenever the image is formed behind the mirror, you should remember that both are going to be positives. Okay, so both are going to be positives here. This is positive, this is positive. Both are erected images. Both are erected images, both are positive. So magnification is going to be positive for virtual images. You have to remember that one, virtual images. So here, that means how many are positive cases here? M is equal to plus 2, M is equal to plus half. So here, in the case of a concave mirror, you should remember that definitely, image is going to be larger than the object. Whereas in a convex mirror, image is definitely going to be smaller than the object. When the image is smaller than the object, magnification will be less than 1. When the image is greater than the object, magnification is greater than 1. Because when the numerator is larger than the denominator, you will be getting greater than 1. When the numerator is lesser, image is lesser than the object, you will be getting magnification less than 1. That means it is understood that this is a case of a concave mirror and this is a case of a convex mirror. X I am ready, convex. Okay, that you have differentiated. So negative signs indicates that these are real images. These are virtual cases. These are virtual cases. Whenever magnification becomes positive, these are said to be virtual cases. Why? In virtual case only you will be getting erected images. A very beautiful application I am going to tell you now. Okay? So in virtual cases only images are erected, so magnification is going to be positive. And these two cases are taken as real cases because you are getting negative sign. Why negative sign? Because when an object is placed here, you will be getting image here. In the case of inverted image, you will be getting magnification is equal to height of the image. Height of the image by height of the object. Object is inverted, object is erected, so positive. Image is inverted, so negative here. So in these cases of real images, you will be getting magnification as negative. So here both are taken as real cases here. Both are taken as real cases. Now just it's very simple. When you understand these two logics, it is very simple to match the following here. Now just here now. It's very easy if you understand these two logics that what is going to be the correct option. Here correct option is going to be the A option. How can you say A option here? Let us see. See, P means M is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 indicates it's a real image. So when it is a real image and that too magnified image because it is greater than 1. Real and magnified. So B and C. What is B here? Concave mirror. This type of magnifications comes to concave mirror. And what else is B and C? C is going to be the real image. It's correct now. So Q is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means here minus 1 by 2. real images you will get for only concave mirror, not a convex mirror. Convex mirror gives you only the virtual image. It is not going to give you any real image. So therefore, plus 2 means Q. Q means what I am going to get now? B. B means concave mirror. C means it's going to be a real image, but the image size is lesser than the object size. So when the image size is lesser than the object size, you will be getting less than 1, I said. These two logics is very useful to understand now. M equal to plus 2, what does it mean here? M is equal to plus 2 means it's a case of a virtual image. Now, so here what is going to be B and D? So B means what? It's a case of a concave mirror plus 2. Yeah, so concave mirror. And also what else is giving? R is equal to B and D. D means virtual image. Yes, it's a case of virtual image because you're getting positive signs here. Now let us take what is plus half. M equal to plus half means what is the meaning here? Now let us see. So plus half means what is going to give you? S equal to A and D. A is what? Convex mirror, because it is a virtual image and the image size is smaller than the object. If it is a virtual image and image size is smaller than the object, definitely it is a case of a convex mirror. So like this, you might be understanding each and every point which I have discussed in a super simple way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.